Hi, Professor Wheeler. My name is Wei Jia Kai. Here is my CIS9467 midterm project. As we know, Airbnb is an online marketplace for people to lease or rent short-term lodging, including houses, apartments, and hotel rooms. It has over 5 million lodging listings in 81,000 cities and 191 countries. In my project, I'm going to use Power Pivot and Power Map to explore data of Airbnb booking data of New York City. My data comes from inside Airbnb.com, which is publicly available. It shows all the available listings from July 5th to December 31st, 2018. After downloading the data, I built a data model in Power Pivot. I have two entities here. The first table, called Booking, has around 200,000 rows of data. A pretty big data set. Its attributes consist of listing ID, dates, price. The second table named listing, it contains all the information of one listing, including listing ID, host information, location information, and room details such as room type, the number of accommodations, bathroom, bedroom, and the other information such as number of reviews, score rating, cancellation policies. Let's get back to Excel sheets. And here is the dashboard I created with 4 pivot charts and 7 sliders. On the top left is a time series analysis for the average price and the inventory on the housing market. Let's take a look at the blue line, which represents the average price. It goes all the way down from $158 in July to $145 in October. The market is getting soft since the school summer vacations goes to the end and people are back from vacations to work or school. Then with the holiday season coming, the average price bounced back above 150 in November. On the top right, the bar chart shows the average prices of 5 boroughs. Manhattan has the highest rate at $176 per night, while Queens and Bronx are cost efficient with the rate below $100. On the bottom left, the pie chart shows the percentage of cancellation policies. The majority of the hosts use strict cancellation policies, which means for full refund, cancellation must be made within 48 hours of booking and at least 14 full days between check-in. Only 8% hosts take flexible cancellation policies to refund fully with a 24-hour notification. On the bottom right, the chart indicates the qualities of listing by measuring the number of reviews. Usually, the more reviews a listing has, the more popular the listing is. And the average review score rating of 5 boroughs. Regarding the sliders, I have location information, room detail information such as room type, the number of accommodations, the number of bedrooms to interact with user. We can also select the host is a super host or not. There is a timeline here to interact. Now I'm going to show the use of this dashboard from two perspectives, the guest and the host. For the guest perspective first, they can get they can get information from multiple dimensions and then find better deals. Assume I would like to take my parents to visit New York City. I need an entire house with 2 bedrooms. And I can see that the price between November and December are fair, and I have vacation on November, let's say. And then I take my budget into consideration. Unfortunately, I found that I can't afford to live in Manhattan with over $300 per night. But I found a really good alternative. Living in Queens saved me half, and with similar rating score. So I look up Queens. Here is the city I can choose. Like Astoria is just 2 subway station away from Manhattan. So with this information, I can go to the official website and find my listing. On the other hand, from the host perspective, by analyzing publicly available information about Airbnb listing, they can get a big picture of the residential housing market, which helps to make better decisions. For example, I can know how many listings in my neighborhood and the pricing strategy, the choice of cancellation policies of my competitors. Assume I have a private room available in Eastern Village, Manhattan. Yes, I found that there is more than 100 listings available between November and December. So in order to rent out my apartment, my room quickly, I can lower my price below the average. Let's say $95 to attract potential customers. Or I can switch my cancellation policies from strict to flexible to encourage potential guests to make reservation early. Regarding the popularity of my room, keeping the review number over 120 seems a pretty good marketing strategy. Alright, let's switch to Power Map. I created a heat map to illustrate the price level in New York City using Power Map. We can clearly see that the financial district area, Midtown area, Upper West, Upper East are more expensive with dark red color. I set up the timeline option and get an animation to show the change from July to December, which is a really beautiful, amazing function. And I also create a visualization to show the popularity of different areas with custom columns using the sum of review number to represent the popularity of area. I can see that the Two Bridge area, East Village, and Upper Manhattan are popular choices. I guess they are more affordable and have convenient access to the center of the city. Alright, that's all for my midterm project. Thank you so much, Professor, for watching.